My topic is digital divide in India. Introduction. The term digital divide describes the fact that the world can be divided into people who do and people who do not have access to and the capability to use modern information technology such as the telephone, television, or the internet. The digital divide exists between those in cities and those in rural areas. The digital divide also exists between the educated and the uneducated, between economic classes, and globally between the more and less industrially developed nations. Definition. It is the gap between individual households, businesses, and geographic areas at the different socio-economic level with regard to their opportunities to access information and communication technologies and their use of internet. These are some example digital divide. Keniston identifies four different kinds of digital divide. They are that it exists with, within every nation industrialized or developing, between rich and poor, educated and uneducated, powerful and powerless. The second digital divide is linguistic and cultural. In many nations, these separates those who speak English or another Western European language. The third digital divide follows closely from the first two is the growing digital gap between the rich and the poor nations. The fourth digital divide is the emergence of a new elite group with which Keniston calls the dignity. Why digital divide? Low internet penetration leading to denial of access to many web based information are latest technology. The second is economic inequality, social mobility and education barrier, and language barriers. Digital divide implications, political. In the age of social media, political empowerment and mobilization are difficult without digital connectivity. Governance, transparency, and accountability are dependent on digital connectivity. The digital divide affects e-governance initiative negatively. Social. Internet penetration is associated with greater social progress of nation. Thus, digital divide in a way hinders the social progress of a country. Rural areas is suffering from information poverty due to the digital divide. It only strengthens the vicious cycle of poverty, deprivation, and backwardness. Economic. The digital divide causes economic inequality between those who can afford the technology and those who don't. Educational. The, the digital divide is also impacting the capacity of children to learn and develop. Without internet access, students can't do not build the required rest of the great digital divide in India. Education is just one area that has highlighted the digital divide between India's rural and urban areas during the lockdown. The trend is evident everywhere: telemedicine, banking, e-commerce, e-governance, all of which became accessible only via the internet during the lockdown. The divide exists despite the rise in the number of wireless subscribers in India over the past few years. Telecom facility, not digital progression. According to a report released by the Telecom Regulatory Authority in India, on June this year, the country had over 1,160 million wireless subscribers in February 2020, up from 1,010 million in February 2016. This is a rise of 150 million subscribers in 5 years, or 3 million per year. The growth have been evenly distributed the urban and rural areas, with the number of urban subscribers increasing by 74 million from 579 million to 643 million, and rural subscriber by 86 million. The urban rural divide. Services such as online classroom, financial transactions, and e governance require access to the internet as well. The ability to operate internet enabled devices like phones, tablets, and computers. Here, the urban rural distinction is quite stark. According to the NSSO, conducting between July 2017 and June 2018, just 4.4 rural households have a computer against 14.4% in an urban areas. It had just 14.9% rural households having access to the internet against 42% households in urban areas. Similarly, only 13% people 30% people of over 5 years of age in rural areas have the ability to use the internet against 30% can't in urban areas. एनएसएसओ के रिपोर्ट में एनएसओ की रिपोर्ट से पता चलता है कि भारत में विभिन्न राज्य, शहरों, गांवों तथा अन्य समूहों में डिजिटल डिवाइड काफी अधिक है। रिपोर्ट में बताया गया है कि भारत में 10 में से केवल एक घर में कंप्यूटर, डेस्कटॉप, लैपटॉप या टैबलेट है। भारत के सभी घरों में 42% घरों में इंटरनेट का यूज होता है, तो वहीं ग्रामीण क्षेत्रों में कुल घरों में से केवल 15% घर इंटरनेट से जुड़े हैं।